Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mental Hacks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for quick and easy updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how these hackers get into your Instagram account. So before we run into that, kindly know that there is a disclaimer here. This video is made strictly for education purposes only. The content shared is needed to help viewers learn, understand, and improve their knowledge in cybersecurity and related fields. Under no circumstances should the information provided be used for hacking, exploiting systems, engaging in illegal activities, or causing harm to individuals, organizations, or networks. Any misuse of the information from the video is solely the result of the video. The creator of this video does not endorse, encourage, or condemn any form of illegal or malicious activity. Always use your skills responsibly and within the boundaries. But before we run into this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mental Hacks. Yes. Kindly, before I run to, many of you are running to Google, are typing in how to hack Instagram account. As you can see, you get a lot of results more. How to hack into Instagram, this is an help center. How to hack into an Instagram account, get you a lot of results. You can see can show you more than 1,000 results. You can read through, they can help you. But in this video, I just want to show you how helpful and to is. You just imagine, imagine waking up one morning and realizing your Instagram account has been hacked. All your photos, sorry, messages and memories gone. Scary, right? This video, I'm going to show you the most common tricks hackers use to target Instagram accounts. And more importantly, how you can protect yourself and keeping your account safe. Even if you think you are smart to be hacked, some of these tricks are not fool anyone, so stay tuned. Yes, before we talk about protecting Instagram, let's quickly look at the tricks hackers often use to break in. The first trick is called phishing. Hackers send fake links that look like Instagram. You log in and then they have your username and password. With this, a hacker will send you an email. The hacker will send you a text message. The hacker can send you a message on your Instagram, your other social media account, and then they'll send you a kind of message like this. You can read through, and then they'll tell you and verify your account. So when you try to click on verifying an account, it will ask you for your user logins, and it will ask you for the user logins. Then as soon as you enter in your user logins, the user will just get your account password, and then besides that, there is some trick I want to show you and see what happens next. Now, but before I run to that trick, there is the second trick, which is a weak password. Some of you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are very weak password, so easy to guess. So kindly you can avoid them. Then there's some trick I want to use. I want to show you. It's called the Insta Hacker. As you can see, it's Insta Hacker. Many people are using this, and these are accounts which have been hacked, as you can see. Yeah, so let me show you. Can this be hacked or not? As you can see, the Insta Hacker to ask for the username, and I'll start with my username, which is MentalHacks256. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram, MentalHacks256. Yes, and then we'll do the launch. When you click on launch, let me see. When you click on launch, it will start. Access retrieved, account already tracked, as you can see. So let me try on with another one. Oh, Mr. Hacker. Let me try on with another one. Let's wait. Wait. I'll try it on with another account, as you can see. Yes, I'm trying with another one. As you can see, it's Mental Dash Access. It's also another account. You can also follow me. Okay, so it will start generating, as you can see. It will start synchronizing the server Instagram console, the urban Linux system copyright, then the API ID, then they will need the verification code in the connection algorithm I've started on connection to the database. So they connect to the server, as you can see. So the reason as to why I'm showing you this is to make you get aware of how hackers can get into your accounts. We can avoid these hacks one by one. So kindly subscribe to my channel, Mental Hacks. So we can go on the connection, the host, they will put the username, they will apply the algorithm, the buffer overflow system, what, as you can see. Then they will send a SMS verification code to the user, and then they intercepting the verification code. As you can see, they're intercepting the verification code. This is 30%. Yeah, this will run up to 100%. Once it runs up to 100%, then it's all done. And I want you guys, you can go on in my comment section and comment, has it been hacked or not? As you can see, this is the username of the account. Yes, we can follow up the copying data hack meta, what. So don't use this video for hacking. I'm just showing you how these hacks are used in general, how hackers use these methods to hack into your accounts. Kindly, let's just apply them one by one. So, as you can see, there are logs of incoming and they're uploading photos and videos. They have generated the files here. They are also authorized the user verification data. Yes, get password from the link below. They are doing each and everything as you can follow up. You can see, you get it. So we can go one by one. Then we see how this will work out. We are on 83. The server is on 100 right now. So still files have been successfully uploaded. They are sending received data. Yeah, kindly come to my, in case you have anything, come to comment section. You can just message me. I will help you out, or I'll protect you, how to protect your account. So don't run into these hacks. Kindly, in my next video, I'm going to show you how we can protect away from hackers. Kindly watch this video and watch my next videos. Then, because the two videos working hand, and this is up to 93%. I'm talking about this because I want to see how it will be done. I can monitor one profile with Apple will be able to gain access to the following data packages. This is what it will gain access to. That yes. So let me show you. I want it, this is where we have received it. You get that the data successfully uploaded to access the YouTube data of your account. You can do this, then sign up, and then so you come into my comment section, and tell me what has happened. How did it work out or not? They have left that question to you. But kindly, this is an education message, an education video. Don't use it into authorization hacking. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, Meta Hacks.